In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add cross-platform friends in Rocket League on PS4, PS5, Xbox, or PC. It really is a simple process, but before we actually get into the process, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Starting off in the main menu right here, look in the bottom right corner of your screen and you're going to see a little friends icon. On controller, you might have to hit a button like R2, or if you're on PC, just click on the icon to open it up. And once you have your friends list opened up, you'll see online friends, offline friends, and what they're currently playing. At the bottom, you're going to see an add epic friend option right here. Go ahead and select this and then enter in your friend's epic ID. Now, if you are on, a PS4, PS5, or Xbox, you're going to have your console account linked to an Epic Games account. And this goes for your friends as well. So give you their Epic Games username. And once, they have your Epic Games username, that's where they'll put it in here. You could go ahead and send them a friend request, and then they just have to accept a friend request using that Epic ID. And then you'll be able to invite them and play together no matter what platform they're on. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.